Errors package. Previously we discussed the error interface, which is a representation of errors in Golang, and creating errors using the errors new function. Actually, there is still a lot we can do using the errors package, for example when we want to create several different error values. For example, we create our own error type, then we want to check the error type. We can use errors is to check the error type. We'll start by creating a file named error. Add the package main declaration and the main function. Then, we'll create two variables named validation error and not found error. We'll initialize them using the errors new function from the errors package. For validation error, we'll set the error message to validation error, and for not found error, we'll use the errors new function with the message not found error. Let's make these variables global. Next, we'll create another function called getById that takes a string parameter ID and returns an error. Inside the function, if the ID parameter is empty, we'll return validation error. If the ID is not equal to John, we'll return not found error. Otherwise, we'll return nil. Moving on to the main function, we'll create a variable named error and assign the result of the getById function with a sample ID parameter. We have an error handling block here. It starts with checking if the error is not nil, indicating that an error has occurred. Inside this block, we perform a series of checks using the errors is function to determine the type of error. If the error is identified as a validation error, we print validation error. If it's identified as a not found error, we print not found error. However, if the error doesn't match either of these specific types, we print a known error. Let's try it and run it. In the second experiment, we input John's parameters. The result returns nil. Next experiment, let's try James. This structure allows us to handle different types of errors gracefully and provide appropriate feedback or take necessary actions based on the specific error encountered.